In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know who viewed your WhatsApp status. By the end, you'll confidently check exactly who has seen your updates, and you'll understand what the different indicators on the screen mean, so nothing is left to guesswork. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so the layout matches what you see here. From the main screen, head to the Updates tab. On iPhone, you'll find updates at the bottom of the screen. On Android, it's at the top. This is the hub for everything related to status updates, including your own and the ones from your contacts. Next, tap My Status. This takes you straight to the status updates you've posted. If you've shared more than one, they'll play one after another like a slideshow. You can pause by holding a finger on the screen or move forward and back with a tap, handy if you want to stay on a specific update while you check who viewed it. While your status is playing, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll either see a small eye icon with a number next to it, or you can simply swipe up on the screen. Both actions reveal the same thing, the viewer details. The eye icon indicates how many total views that particular status has received. Swiping up or tapping the icon opens the list itself. You'll now see a list of the contacts who viewed that specific status update. This list typically shows names and, in many cases, the time each person viewed it, so you can tell not just who watched, but roughly when. If you've posted multiple statuses, remember that each one has its own separate viewer list, so you'll want to check them individually if you're curious about all of them. A few helpful tips as you use this feature. The viewer list updates in near real time as people watch. If you don't see anyone listed, it could simply mean no one has viewed it yet, or that red receipts are turned off for you or the viewer, which can limit visibility. Also, your status and its viewer list are only available for 24 hours, after which the status expires and the list is no longer accessible. Finally, only people who can see your status based on your status privacy settings will appear in the viewer list. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp, go to Updates, tap My Status, then swipe up or tap the eye icon while your status is playing to see exactly who viewed it. Thanks for watching and happy posting.